All right, let's talk about something that can be super frustrating. Have you ever wanted to get your VPN working on your smart TV or your PlayStation and just hit a brick wall? It's a huge headache. But what if I told you the solution isn't some new, complicated router, but the computer you're probably using right now? Today, that's exactly what we're going to do. Turn your computer into a personal, secure VPN hotspot for all your other gadgets.
So what's the core problem here anyway? I mean, you've got that great VPN on your laptop, which is awesome for privacy and for getting around geo-blocks. But then you look over at your smart TV, your gaming console, or even your little streaming stick, and you realize they're just left out in the cold. Most of these devices simply weren't designed to run VPN software, which leaves them totally unprotected.
And look, this is not some niche issue. We're talking about the most popular devices in our homes. Smart TVs, Apple TV, PlayStations, the Xbox, you name it. If you own any of these, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
But here's the brilliant part, the real life hack. The solution is probably sitting on your desk right now. Yep, your own computer is the key. We're going to teach it a new trick: how to broadcast its own secure VPN-protected Wi-Fi signal that literally any other device can just hop onto.
Okay, let's get into it. Our very first step is to create the hotspot itself. You can think of this as laying the foundation. Before we can add the VPN security blanket, we first need a Wi-Fi signal to wrap it around. And you'll be surprised how easy this first part is. We're just diving into your computer's network and internet settings to find the mobile hotspot option. It's usually just a single switch you have to flip to on. The most important thing here, though, is to click Edit and give your new network a name you'll recognize and, of course, a strong password. Once you save that, your computer is officially broadcasting its own Wi-Fi. It's as simple as that.
Now, a really crucial point on security. You're not just borrowing a signal here. You are creating a brand new network, so you've got to treat it like one. It's absolutely essential to use a strong password. Mix in numbers, letters, and a few symbols. This is basically the digital front door lock that makes sure only your devices can get into this new secure bubble.
Okay, hotspot created. Check. Now for the most important part of this whole thing, configuring the network sharing. This is where we build the digital bridge that's going to connect your VPN secure tunnel directly to the new Wi-Fi signal we just made.
To do this, we need to peek under the hood at your computer's network adapters. Just think of these as all the different doors your computer uses to talk to the internet. We'll find them by going to Advanced Network Settings and then clicking on More Network Adapter Options. This is going to pop open a window that shows every single connection your computer is managing. Now, in this window, don't get overwhelmed. We're hunting for our two main players. First is that hotspot we just made. It'll be labeled something kind of technical sounding like Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter. Second is your VPN connection, which usually has your VPN provider's name in it, like ExpressVPN Tap Adapter. We need to find both of these because we're about to tell one to share its connection with the other. Okay, you ready? This is where the magic happens. Find your VPN adapter, right-click on it, and select Properties. Inside that menu, you'll see a Sharing tab. All you have to do is check the little box that says something like Allow other network users to connect, and then, and this is the key, you choose our hotspot adapter from the drop-down menu. When you click OK, you've officially told your computer, hey, take this secure VPN internet and please send it out through my new hotspot. You've just built the bridge. We are so close, I promise. There's just one last tiny change needed to make sure this all works perfectly. This final step actually happens inside your VPN app itself, and it's what truly activates the secure link we just built. So this entire process hinges on one critical setting. Your VPN protocol has to be set to OpenVPN. Think of protocols as different methods your VPN uses to create that secure tunnel. Now, for this sharing trick to work, your computer needs the specific toolset that OpenVPN provides. Other protocols are great, but for this specific task, OpenVPN is an absolute must.
So all you have to do is open your VPN app, head into its settings or options, and find the menu labeled Protocol. In there, you'll see a list of choices. Just make sure you select OpenVPN. Once that's set, you can connect to any server location you want, and your new hotspot will follow right along.
And now, for the moment of truth. With all the settings in place, it's time to confirm that our new VPN hotspot is actually up and running, and more importantly, that it's protecting our connection.
And the test is incredibly simple. Just grab your phone or another device. First, while you're on your normal Wi-Fi, just Google, "What is my IP address?" and take a quick note of what you see. Now connect that device to the brand new hotspot Wi-Fi you just created. Once it's connected, refresh that IP checker website and just watch what happens. And this right here is the proof. The before is your real IP address, showing your actual location. But the after, the IP address you see when you're connected to the hotspot, should now match the location of the VPN server on your computer. If those two are different, then congratulations, you did it. It is working perfectly.
So there you have it. You've successfully turned your computer into a powerful VPN gateway for any device in your home. Let's just quickly recap what this new capability really unlocks.
The main takeaways are simple, but they're really powerful. Your computer is now a central hub for VPN protection. This extends that security to all those devices that were previously exposed. The real magic happens by enabling that sharing between the two network adapters. And remember, the golden rule is that this whole process hinges on your VPN app being set to the OpenVPN protocol.
So, the only question left is, with the ability to bring any device under the protection of your VPN from your game console to your smart TV, what will you connect first?